Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to add order tracking page on Shopify. So let's get started. So first, you just have to log into your Shopify account, and as much as possible, you have to verify your account. But by the way, what is this tracking page on Shopify? So customers can track their orders on your Shopify store using this final checkout page, saving them from having to visit another website. Customers on this page get the recent information and the whereabouts of their shipment, check their shipment status without having to get in touch with you. Okay, so open your Shopify, now scroll down here and then tap this online store. And then under online store, you have to look for pages. Okay, so we have options here, but you just have to tap pages here. Okay, so once you tap pages, then it will take you directly to this page or this site. And then all you have to do is simply go to the right side, and above you can see here a button that says add page. You just have to tap one. Now here under add page, we have here title. So all you have to do is simply type order tracking. Okay. And then under content or inside this content box, I'm going to show you a code that you're going to paste. Okay, but you have to save this one first. Now go to the description box, and there you will find this docs where you can copy the codes that you will be needing here on your Shopify. So this is what it looks like. Just go to the description box and you just have to click that link, and it will take you directly to this Google Docs. Now all you have to do is scroll down till you see this tracking page script, and what you're going to do here is to copy this. You can Control-C, or you just have to right click and then copy. Now go back to your Shopify. Okay, and then you have to click this show HTML. Remember, take note, you have to click that show HTML. If not, the result will be different. Okay, so go back and then click this show HTML and then paste the code that you have copied from the Google Docs, and then click save. Now if you want to see the result, we just have to click this view page here, and then you will see the result in there. As you can see, we have the order tracking button already. Okay, now, so the next thing you should do is to simply copy this link, and then go to new window. Now paste the link here, and then just let it right now. Later, you're going to copy that one. So now let's go back to your Shopify homepage. And then here you have to go to your online store again. And this time we have to click this navigation. And then under navigation, you have to simply click this main menu. And then click this add the new item right here. Now what you want to do is simply click this box, and you will see here pages. And then under pages, you should see this order tracking. And then after that, click add. Okay, so once done, click save. Now go back to your Shopify homepage, and if you want to see the result of that, then you can go again and tap this view online store, and you will see here order tracking. And what you want to do is just simply type the number here, tracking number, and then search. And of course, status will appear. Okay, but this time we have to edit or modify our shipping information. So to do that, go to settings, and then you have to scroll down, go to notifications, scroll down again till you see in this shipping confirmation, tap this one, and what you want to do is simply click this edit code, and you must be, like what I've said, you have to verify your email address to proceed. So click this edit code here, and then what you want to do is simply go back to your Google Docs, okay, the one I have mentioned earlier, and that I have posted on my link description. So here what you want to do is to simply copy this line. So select all, Control-C though. Notice this one is highlighted because at this part, you're going to copy your URL or your link. Okay, your order tracking link. You have to paste it right here, but not on this Google Docs, on your Shopify. So copy this one, select all, till this area, this board, copy, go back to your Shopify. Okay, Control-E, and then delete this one, and then right-click, paste. Now go to 102nd or 102. Okay, so this one was the highlighted part earlier. So all you have to do is just simply delete this one. Okay, and then go back to your order tracking site. Okay, copy this one here, go back, and then delete this one, and then paste with the order tracking page link. Now tap save. And to see the result, what you want to do is just simply click preview. And this is what it looks like. So if someone ordered something on your store and they want to know the shipment or shipping information or status about their tracking number, then this is what it looks like. Okay, so your order's on the way, and all you have to do is simply type this number under order tracking, then you will see the result. Okay, so this is the result. So that's how easy it is to, add order tracking page on Shopify. And if you want to edit something, like if you want to see the whole result of your store, then you just have to simply click this view online store. Just you can see here, we have order tracking, never mind the other one. And then if someone wants to, check their order, then all you have to do is to type that number here, and then they will know the status of their order. Okay, but as you can see, there's no result because I haven't posted any orders on my Shopify store. So if you want to modify your theme, all you have to do is simply go to this area right here, and then tap this customize. Now you can custom your online store or your store. So you can see here some options. All you have to do is to add information here, add some words here like your welcome address or your welcome announcement, something like that. And then if you want to change or add some logos and other themes, you just have to do that under this theme settings. Once done, click save, and that's it. Okay, so this is just a very basic information on how to add order tracking page on Shopify. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!